Privacy is the final frontier of the internet. Fully Homomorphic Encryption, or FHE, is the holy grail. It allows us to process data while it remains encrypted. But for 99% of developers, FHE is impossible to implement. Today, I am changing that with the Gemini FHE Transpiler. Let's look at a real-world use case. Doctors use protocols, not code. Here, I have a handwritten decision tree for diabetes diagnosis. I simply upload this image. Using its multimodal vision capabilities, Gemini FHE analyzes the diagram and extracts the logic instantly. Now, look at the magic. Standard Python uses if statements and AND operators, but encrypted processors cannot handle branches. Gemini understands this. It automatically transpiles the logic. See here? It converted the logical AND dependencies into a polynomial multiplication. It transformed a human decision into a mathematical equation compatible with Zama's concrete library. But does it actually work? Let's take the circuit to Google Colab, we compile it with a calibration set, and we generate the secret keys. Watch the results. We run the diagnosis on fully encrypted data. The logs confirm it. Success. The decrypted result matches the clear text logic perfectly. The server performed the diagnosis without ever seeing the patient's age or glucose levels. We use Gemini to bridge the gap between visual human logic and military-grade security. This is privacy by design, made accessible to everyone. Thank you.